everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Algebra Solution. Today we have to see Algebraic Identities Formula. These identities are useful in class 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th also. So today we will see that useful algebraic identities. Identities number 1, that is a plus b whole square equal to a and b are the two terms. First term square plus 2 multiply first term and second term plus second term square. Now we will see second identity, that is a minus b whole square. These identities are useful a square in class 8, 9 and 10, especially a square plus minus 2ab plus b square. Now we will see third identity, that is a square plus b square, a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. After expansion of this identity is 2ab minus 2ab will be cancelled, remain only a square plus b square. Now we will see next. Now fourth identity we will see a square minus b square equal to a plus b whole square. Second bracket we write a minus b. Okay, so next identity we will see here a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Okay, so see here expansion of this expand, minus 2ab will be subtracted from this 4ab, so we get plus 2ab, so we get this expansion. Now a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square here minus 4ab. Okay, next identity a square plus b square, a square plus b square equal to a square plus b square equal to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Next identity 2a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Now next identity 4ab How we get 4ab? So see here, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. After expansion of these two identities, we get only 4ab. We get only 4ab. Next identity, that is ab equal to a plus b by 2 whole square minus in bracket a minus b by 2 whole square. After solving this, only ab will be left here. Okay, so next identity will be now a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square plus 3ab square plus b cube. Same identity we can repeat, a plus b whole cube equal to this a and this b. Write at first, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Now a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole bracket cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Then a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b in bracket a minus b. Now next identity, a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube is equal to, in first bracket a plus b, in second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. In a cube plus b cube for the same, second plus b, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Now a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b in second bracket a square plus ab plus b square plus b square. Then a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube plus 3ab in bracket a minus b. In this way, we will get this algebraic identities, and this is the expansion of this algebraic identities. A plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times in bracket ab plus bc plus ca, ab plus bc plus ca. This is the algebraic identity. Now we will see next algebraic identity, that is a square plus b square plus c square is equal to a plus b plus a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 into in bracket ab plus bc plus ca. Next identity we will see. These identities are used especially in class 9th. 2 times AB plus BC plus CA equal to A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C whole square minus in bracket A square plus B square plus C square. Next identity we will see. These identities are used in higher classes 9, 10 especially. Then next identity is A plus B plus C whole square equal to equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube plus 3 times AB 3 times A plus B 3 times A plus B B plus C 3 times B plus C plus C plus A C plus A. Then we will see next identity, that is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC equal to A plus B plus C in one bracket, in another bracket A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. In this way, this is the expansion of the algebraic identities, and especially these identities are used in class 9th. Very most important identities for class 9th. So let's recap. If you like this video, you can subscribe the channel, share with your friends. These are the algebraic identities formulas, and these formulas are very important for exam point of view. Thank you for watching the whole video. Thank you for watching the whole video.